There's nothing quite like bringing your new baby home. Welcoming your child into your world, the joy of new beginnings, it's a huge step forward in your life as a family. But the process of conception isn't always as straightforward as we would like it to be. Life doesn't always take your side, and despite your best intentions, things don't always fall into place. There's a lot of anxiety and misinformation out in the universe when it comes to pregnancy. If you're trying to start a family, we'll tell you everything you need to know to make sure the process is as stress-free as possible. After all, having a child is all about love. Welcome to So You Want to Have a Baby. Hello and welcome to Glamorous. I'm Jennifer Karai and I'll be your host as we run through everything you need for a happy and successful pregnancy. In this 3-video series, we're going to get some expert advice on how to prepare for a pregnancy, learn about all the factors that go into it, and ease your mind with important facts and common myths surrounding this time. Knowing when the best time to get pregnant is and being aware of your fertile window is what's key to starting your journey towards motherhood. And we'll have all this information for you in our next episode. But today, we're going to run through all of the things that you need to have in place before you start. And nothing brings more truth to the foreground than hearing real stories from real women who have gone through or are currently going through the ups and downs of this process.
I instantly changed so much about my lifestyle once we decided to start a family. Cut back on late nights, stopped eating junk food, which was very hard by the way, because it's my biggest guilty pleasure. Well, for my husband, it took a while for him to realize the need to do the same, but he came around eventually. And it was of big help. He was very supportive once he realized that I needed him, and that eased out the stress between us, and things went quite smooth between us then.
We caught up with Dr. Pratishta Trivedi, a counselor who has helped a lot of women and couples through this journey, to ask her for her advice.
The best advice I can give is to try and remain calm and relaxed, because the whole process of trying to conceive can be stressful, and this can often work against you and negatively impact your chances of getting pregnant. Having honest discussions with your partner about your concerns and anxieties can help both of you feel better and more assured about moving forward with starting a family. Get some exercise, sleep well, and cut down on the junk food. The healthier you are, the better you'll feel, and this can make a huge difference. Another common issue that I hear a lot is that the process just becomes too structured and mechanical. There's a fertility window that the couple needs to capitalize on, and so things become very clinical and regimented. The thing to remember here is that conception can be a very uncertain process, with a lot of factors impacting the chances of success. The timetable, the schedule, these are all tools to help you conceive by reducing the uncertainty. But you shouldn't allow them to stress you out. It's important to understand that this process takes its own time and that you need to be patient.
We talked to many women who were trying to start a family. Some of them expressed feeling really low when months go by without any success.
A lot of the time women feel that they're doing everything themselves and that it's only them that have to give things up or make the sacrifice. This is actually a big problem because feeling alone or unsupported can drastically increase your stress levels, and this hampers your chances of getting pregnant. So it is important for men to support their partners. Remember, you're both in this together. Above all, be loving, caring, and patient towards each other. That's the most important takeaway.
So, this does seem like a complex process, but I think the key here is love, and couples need to care for and support each other through this. You're building your lives together, and it's really important that both partners communicate well and are emotionally invested in each other. Because remember, you're in this together. There's one more important point to take into account: the financial implications of a pregnancy, especially with the rising cost of good medical care. You need to be financially ready. This is super important because money issues always lead to stress, and stress can negatively impact this whole process. So you need to be sure that you can handle the financial implications of having a baby. Now, this does fluctuate from family to family, so make sure you plan for the addition of another person to your lifestyle. So hopefully, this gets you on your way to starting a family of your own. I'm Jennifer, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions about any of the things we discussed in this video, please let us know in the comments below. We'll try and answer as many as we can. We'll see you next time with episode 2 of So You Want to Have a Baby. Until then, thanks for watching and stay glamorous. On the next episode of So You Want to Have a Baby, we'll look at the science behind the monthly cycle and ovulation, and why wrapping your heads around this will simplify your approach to getting pregnant. See you then.